What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have something pretty cool to share with you guys. I'm sure you've been seeing on social media this huge tortilla trend that's been going on. Basically people are taking a tortilla, cutting it through the middle, and then stuffing it with 4 different items and then folding it over onto itself. Almost like a quesadilla, and you toast it and you enjoy it. Well, I had a really great idea recently thanks to one of my fellow foodies on Instagram, Salma Hack. She went ahead and did it with Guyanese style oil roti. Now you could do this with dal puri, any style of roti that we make, but I wanted to give this a try. So I have a whole bunch of leftovers here from my fridge, and I just wanted to stuff them into some roti that I made yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to make it. And once again, thanks to Salma for giving me this idea. If you guys want to check her out, I'll leave her Instagram and all of her social media information in the description box down below, so you can check her out and see all of the amazing things that she cooks up on social media. So of course I have my roti here, and I made these rotis yesterday, so I just heated it up a little bit. And besides the roti, I have a little bit of bora and edo curry that I had made. I have some Katahar and shrimp that I had made as well. And I also have some pumpkin and shrimp that I made. And I have a little bit of achar that I made with some golden apples. And I also have a little bit of homemade pepper sauce as well. So we're going to start off by taking the roti and putting it down onto our surface. Go ahead and cut it all the way to the middle. So that's going to allow us to make our folds later on. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is start to spoon on all of the different elements for this roti. So I'm going to start off with this bora and edo that I made. I'm just going to put that down on the first side. And you can stuff this as much or as little as you want. So I'm going to go on with a little bit of pumpkin. And the last thing I'm going to go on is with the Katahar and shrimp curry that I made as well. And for this last one, I'm going to put my condiments on just so it could flavor my roti just a little bit more. I'm going to put on this golden apple achar that I made. I'm also going to dollop just a little bit of pepper sauce on this area. I'm going to start with this side only because I have all my condiments here and I want them to end up inside of the roti as I'm eating it. So all we're going to go ahead and do is just fold it over once like that, pat it down, fold it over once more, pat it down just a little bit, and then we're going to fold it over this way as well. And then you are left with a roti that is stuffed with a whole bunch of goodness. So I'm just going to transfer my roti out onto a plate so this way I can cut it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. And just look at that in the inside. All of those layers. You have your bora with the different sauces that we put on the condiments, and we also have the katahar with the shrimp, and we also have the pumpkin all in the inside. Look how amazing that looks. Alright everybody, so you just saw me fold all of these delicious things into my roti, and now I'm going to taste it for you guys. I cannot wait to try it. All of these things tasted amazing on their own, and the roti was super soft, fluffy, and just beautiful overall. So I know they're all going to taste amazing together. So I have one of these halves of the roti. As you guys can see, it is stuffed to the brim, and I'm going to try it for you guys. This right here, so good. You guys are going to need to try this recipe, or this demo I guess. And if you guys have leftover things in your kitchen, this is the perfect dish to go ahead and try to make. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo today. If you guys did, please don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And of course, you gotta leave your awesome comments down below and let me know what you guys would like to see next. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.